channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video of the new Dream Street palette here, which I'm really excited for, and I'm just going to do a kind of little comparison vid on the two palettes. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like and subscribe down below, and thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day wherever you guys are, and let's just get right into the video. It comes in this sleeve here, and then just like all the other ones, it flips open. So here it is. I love this holographic kind of sheen and the texture on it. It's so pretty. And then you open it, and here are the shades and the little paper that covers it. It's like super stuck to it. But they're all such beautiful shades, and I'm really excited to try this one here. On this one, it has been showing, it's called the Unicorn. It's been showing a lot on their promotional photos and stuff like that. It looks beautiful on dark skin, so I wonder how it will look on me. I saw one on fair skin, but I just saw the side. But it is so beautiful on deep skin tones, so I heard that this palette is very universal. I think I'm gonna dabble more into, I'm really excited for this shade, and the shade here, and the shade here. These ones I'm not too sure about yet, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. They're super creamy feeling, and I think that's why it broke. Remember, it is a highlighter, so it's not gonna swatch like an eyeshadow will. So right here is Wish, and it's more like a champagne color, but when you turn it, you can see a little bit of the lavender in it. This one here is the color Unicorn, and it's such a beautiful pink color with a little bit of a silver flecks in it. So that's really beautiful, and it is straight pigment. And then this one here is Magic, which really surprised me because in the palette it looks green silver, and when you shift it down you can see that little bit of green, but it's not crazy, and you see a little bit of the pink flushing through it. I think there's pink in all of them, so it really just makes it more beautiful. And this one here is Ethereal, which is a purple color with also a silvery shift, and it's just really beautiful. This one here is Sunshine, and you see that yellow color flashing through, and with a bit of pink as well. And this one is Regal, so it's kind of like a peachy highlighter with a little bit of pink, a little bit of silver. So all those colors are so beautiful, and a lot surprised me upon swatches. They just look all so wearable because of that pink shift. Perfect for summer, summer perfect for all of them are perfect for the island, but some, if you don't want to wear like the yellow one or the green tint one, you can always wear it on your lid. But it is beautiful, the green one, because it's not just straight green. You do see a lot of the pink more than the green, and it's just really beautiful. There is glitter in it, but I hate chunky glitter, and this just fine micro glitters in it. Doesn't look chunky on the skin. Like when I swatch it, it just looks like a beautiful glow that would grab the light perfectly when you turn your head. And yeah, so it looks super beautiful. Now I'm going to do some swatches of the Moonchild so you can kind of see where we are with that. So this is the lovely Moonchild palette here. Kind of has that silver shift, that shiny shift. It's not holographic at all. So this one is Pink Heart. This one is Lucky Clover. This one is Blue Moon. This one is Blue Ice. This one is Star. And this one is Purple Horseshoe. So I just want to quickly go over the Moonchild one because it is an older palette, so I just want to go quickly since this palette is really more about the Dream Street, but I do want to do a comparison. With the Moonchild here, as you can see in my swatches, it has a lot of chunkiness to it. It's very white when you swatch it. It's kind of dusty. The colors are just straight up the colors, like the green straight up green, the blues straight up blue, silver straight up silver. So a lot of this is literally, this can't really work for dark skins. The only ones that can are probably the Purple Horseshoe, the Star, and the Blue Moon in the palette, these three here. The other ones are just too white upon application, and when you apply them on your face, they don't really have that glow. They just really have a color more like, and it's dusty. Usually when you see a highlight, you want that glow, that when it hits the light, it looks so like reflective. This one really doesn't. I liked it a lot at first, but then I just stopped using it because I didn't get that much payoff by glow. And again, there is tiny microfine glitters here that it doesn't bug me because they're so thin in this palette. But like I said, the chalky is a word. This palette's very chalky compared to this one, and it just doesn't have that impact that this one seems to have. This one also is a very dry formula, while the Dream Glow Kit is a very creamy formula. And these shades, they don't look wearable, but they are much more wearable than these shades are. So first, I really wanted to go into this unicorn color here. It's really been calling my name, so I'm just going to go in with my Morphe brush. I don't know what it's called, it wore off. I'm just going to dip right in. Ooh. And again, this is my first time putting it on my face, but the pigment, I don't even need to wet my brush, and that's what I love. And you see how beautiful it looks like this, and I was so scared to turn around because I'm like, oh my gosh, is it going to be too dark? As soon as I turn around, you don't see any darkness, so you just see that pink tilt. That means it's suitable for you. So as I can see, I'm very fair, so that means it's suitable for fair skin. And honestly, it is just so beautiful, that reflection. Now I'm going to go into this ethereal color because this one also scares me a little bit, and we'll dip into that here. Ooh, this one looks like it's a little bit more blinding than that pink one, but it's beautiful. The reflection is beautiful. Imagine this in like a blue light also. It's just so pretty. I am going to clean my brush off the color Regal, since this one, all the really pink colors. This is the peachy one. Oh, that's so pretty. You can really see the peachiness in that. So far, I'm digging all these colors, and I can't wait to wear this all over my face. And then next, I'm going to go into this sunshine color, or no, let's go into the magic color just so I can actually see this. Go down my nose with it. Right on the nose, it is really pretty, and all you see right on the nose is that pink shift. Only when you turn do you see a little bit of green, so it does make it super wearable because you just see the beautiful pinkness of it. Like I said, all of these I think have a bit of pinkness slash lavender of a color in them, but I'm not hating that because, like I said, in the pan it doesn't look wearable, but on it's so beautiful. And then I'm going to go into the color Sunshine here. Do that on one side. I'm going to be a rainbow. Yeah, you see the pink in that, but then the yellow literally just blends into my skin. You can see it. And it's just such a pretty yellow. I am loving this. And next I'm going to go into this Wish color here. Dark, but let's see. So the Sunshine is really going to be your more subtle one if you really wanted to go a little bit subtle in this palette. The Wish one I think is the strongest, most metallic color just because it's that champagne shift, and the champagne colors always come off that way. They're just more metallic by genetics. But the most beautiful thing about this, me wearing this right now, is I actually don't look crazy because they all have that pink shift in it. So when you turn, it just looks cool. I wouldn't look crazy going out. This one's beautiful too. The thing is, if you don't like the pink shift, it's throughout all the colors. So if you really don't like a pink highlight, this is not for you. It is so universal. Like I said, the reason I know this is because of I did watch reviews of deeper skin tones, and it just looks so beautiful on them. Even when they turned, like, it just had the same color. So when you looked at them, looked at people with deep skin tones versus people with fairer skin tones, it still had that same color. It didn't change on them to like a chalky color or anything like that, like the Moonchild would have done. So I think Norvina really took that into account when trying to produce this palette. So like I said, when you look at it, it doesn't look wearable at all, but I promise you, to me, in my personal opinion, this palette is so wearable. This one here and this one here are probably the not least wearable shades, but in my opinion they're still wearable. I thought this one was going to be the least wearable, and so is this one, but I was totally wrong. Those are the most wearable, and I think I love every single color in this palette. My favorites are the unicorn and the ethereal here. My camera stopped recording. So I'm going to check the prices between the Dream Street and the Moonchild. So the Moonchild Glow Kit was $52 and the Dream Glow Kit was $59. The Dream palette has 4.5 grams in it, and the Moonchild one has 4.5 grams in it. But I believe that it is more due to the formula. The formula is much better. Everything is much better in this. Please remember to like and subscribe down below if you really like this video. And thank you guys so much for being here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!